In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb put through and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb put through can mean to go through something difficult or unpleasant. If you put someone through something, it means you make them experience something unpleasant or something that is not enjoyable. A child whose parents are divorcing, for example, might need to speak in court in order to help the judge decide on custody arrangements. I am sorry to put you through this, but we need to hear your opinion on your parents. Someone wishing to join a prestigious sports program is talking to the manager. We have to put you through a fitness test before we can accept you on our program. A colleague needs you to meet directly with a difficult client. I'm sorry to put you through this, but I need you to meet with Gemma on Tuesday to give her team a presentation. If someone puts someone through college, school, university, or some other kind of education, this usually refers to them paying for it or supporting them. Parents are attending their son's graduation. I am so happy that we were able to help put you through college. You might be telling someone about how you became successful. I saved for years to put myself through university. It was the best money I ever spent. To put through can also mean to perform a task to its conclusion. A board agree on a decision to spend their funding on upgrading their facilities. They tell their staff, "We have put through a proposal to spend existing funding on essential upgrades to our facilities." Rival companies have been negotiating in order to share some resources. We have managed to put a deal through with our competition, which will enable us to work together in the future. You can also use put through to talk about connecting a telephone call. A customer has a query about their invoice. They call the company. Could you put me through to someone in account management, please? I have a question about my bill. You call directory inquiries to find a phone number and they ask, "Would you like to be put through?" You are trying to contact someone, but their secretary tells you they are not there. I can't put your call through at the moment, as Hannah isn't in the office. Would you like me to take a message? So, to sum up, put through can mean to go through something difficult or unpleasant, such as put someone through tests or put someone through an interrogation. To support someone or pay for yourself or someone else to be educated or to improve their prospects. Like, I put myself through college with the money I had saved. To perform a task to its conclusion. For example, to put a proposal or deal through. To connect a telephone call. Like, putting you through to someone on the phone. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups, and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.